Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a living doll using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all, you're going to go to the Pippit AI website and you're going to sign in to get free credits, or you can invite your friend to Pippit AI to get 120 credits for free. Once you have the credit, you're going to go to the home menu and add the prompt. And these are the results, guys. And this is the prompt I used. You can also use my prompt or you can modify it. It's up to you. This is the prompt. If you want, I'll put it on my YouTube description. Okay, and yeah, if you want to make it, just go to the home menu and add your prompt here, and you're going to upload your photo and just submit the photo to AI. Then you're going to wait for a moment, and it will give you these photos. And I've already used the Pippit AI to make a lot of photos. It's pretty useful. So join the Pippit AI now and claim your free credits and try to make any video or any photo as creative as you can. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn yourself into a living doll using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!